Hi, welcome back. I just got finished demolding some bookends that I made with resin, some deep pour resin, and I made a few mistakes, as you can already tell. They flash cured, so that means it cured too fast. I added heat when I poured this last layer of resin because the air bubbles kept coming up. So I'm like, okay, I'll just add heat, but then I got carried away to add too much heat and it gelled. And as it gelled, the air bubbles got trapped. If you can see right here, let me see if I can grab it. You can see how close it got to that clay pot. So one thing I need to do in the future, if I use clay pots in this figure type, I need to seal it. And if I would have sealed it and put maybe a clear spray on top of it, the air bubbles wouldn't have keep coming through down in here. My other thought is maybe saturate it with a layer of resin and let it cure. But that's just another thought. But I think I'll just try sealing. You can see some more air bubbles that got trapped in the leaves, which that I think is kind of cool. It's just this is the distraction. And you can also see I tried putting the isopropyl alcohol on top, and you can see the swerves. That's how it cured. So it had a reaction with the heat and the resin, so that was not a good idea. Oh, you can really see it here. And this is poking up a little bit. You know what, these would be really cool if this air bubble problem didn't happen. These would be like awesome. And let me show you on this side. I did do 3 layers. I did the rock layer with a little bit of resin, and you can kind of see right here, you can see the lines of the layers. They're real faint, which I'm very happy about because sometimes they do show. And then I did another clear layer that I put those gummy bears and the sticker on. So you can kind of see a little back. So that's cool. I liked how that turned out. For the most part, I think these would be completely awesome if the surface didn't get a little messed up. So another time we'll try working on that. I have some thoughts on how I can try to save this. But for now, I just wanted you to hopefully learn from my experience. Do not get your resin too hot, and definitely make sure you seal anything that's porous, because the air will just keep coming out and it just won't stop. So I hope this video has helped you. Let me know in the comments if this has happened to you, what you have learned from your resin trials, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.